I'm moving this vault into position, but we kind of got to take two people to get the pipes underneath it. But I wanted to get this first one down in. Then it's going to be rebar driven around it to secure it, and the second one's going to get lowered down on top of it, on top of some mortar.
And explain why you're doing this.
Well, we're putting the wellhead into a vault so that the wellhead is protected against fire, because typically the casing is 6-inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe. You can get a steel cased wellhead, but they could get so hot that your water pipe, your safety rope, and all your wires will melt, and your pump goes right down to the bottom of the well. And
so you bury the wellhead.
Yeah. So the plan here is that when the second vault goes on, this should be about 4 inches below grade. The vault.
4 inches below grade, huh?
Yeah.
You think you got it?
Huh?
You think you got it?
Yeah. I checked it when I placed the gravel. I put a level across here and measured down and scooped the gravel to the right level.
Oh, that was smart.
But 12 inches is right here, and kind of hard to say where grade's at, but I mean, if you look at it going straight across, the top of it's going to be level with right about there. So